How to add SUIAI, the SUI agent token to Trust Wallet. Now to be able to do that, make sure to open this token in cryptorank.io. This token is available there. Now go here, it's in under contracts and explorers. Click here to copy the token address under Ethereum, and as you can see, or under the SUI. Just select the Ethereum for that. Now go and open your Trust Wallet from here. Now log into your accounts. Now after that, go here and scroll down and click on manage crypto. Now click on this plus, and from here just select the Ethereum network, and now paste the token address as you can see, and this is our token called SUI agent. Now click on add token. Now after that, to make sure that your token is added successfully, this is it, just go and check it here. So this is how to add this SUI agent token to Trust Wallet. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.